In this video, I'll show you the best settings for your TCL Smart TV. It doesn't matter if you have a TCL Android TV, Google TV, or Roku TV. These settings will help you get the best picture and sound quality. To start, grab your TCL remote and press the settings button. Depending on your model, it might be in the middle or at the top, but once you open the menu, you're ready to go. The first place to head is the picture settings. Under Picture Preset, I recommend selecting Smart HDR since it delivers the best overall look. If you're watching sports, switch to Sports mode. For movies, go with Movie mode. And if you're gaming, be sure to turn on Game mode. Next, adjust the basics by setting brightness to 75 and contrast to 60. From there, go into Advanced Settings where you'll want to set color saturation to 60, tint to 50, warmth to -2, and make sure dynamic color is turned off. Moving into brightness settings, bump contrast up to 100 and leave black level at 50. Under clarity, set both digital noise reduction and noise reduction to high for a cleaner, sharper image. Finally, open screen settings. Change screen option to auto format and make sure screen mode is set to 16:9. To save time, apply these settings to all input sources so they carry over no matter what device you're using. Now, let's move over to the sound settings. Most options are fine as they are, but there are two things you'll want to check. If your TV is mounted on the wall, set the sound mode to wall mount, or switch it to stand if it's on furniture. Also, make sure auto volume control is turned off, otherwise your TV will keep adjusting volume on its own. Next are the system settings, and these can really improve how your TV works. Turn on CEC so you can control HDMI devices with your TCL remote. If you mainly watch sports or play games, enable sports mode or game mode for the best performance. Under Network and Internet, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Then go into Device Preferences to rename HDMI inputs, update your TV's software, or even change the TV's name. One final but important tip, always set date and time to automatic so it syncs with your network and avoids Wi-Fi connection issues. And that's it. Those are the key settings you should adjust to get the best experience out of your TCL Smart TV.